In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in Flixier. To begin, make sure your video clip is already placed in the timeline. Once the clip is in the timeline, click on it to select it so that its settings become visible. After selecting the video, look at the right-hand side of your screen where the Video Settings panel appears. Scroll down in this panel until you find the video speed section, then click on it to expand the available options. Here, you will see several commonly used speed presets, such as 0.5x, 1.5x, and 2x. To speed up the video, choose any value higher than 1x, such as 1.5x or 2x. Once you apply a higher speed, you will notice a small rabbit icon appear at the beginning of your video layer in the timeline, which indicates that the clip has been sped up. You will also see that the length of the video layer becomes shorter as the speed increases. If you do not want to use the preset speed values, you can manually adjust the speed using the slider below the presets. As you move the slider, the video speed will change accordingly, and you can increase it up to a maximum of 5 times. Another way to adjust the speed is by pressing and holding the Shift key on your keyboard and then dragging the edge of the video clip in the timeline, which will also change the playback speed. If your project contains multiple clips and you change the speed of one of them, you may notice gaps appearing between clips. To avoid black screens in your final video, click on the bin icon in the gap to remove it so all clips move next to each other, and this is how you can speed up a video in Flixier.